Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download and sign up for your GroupMe account. So GroupMe is an app that helps you stay connected with your friends, family, colleague or anybody else. So if you'd like to be on this platform, if you are a conversationalist and want to have conversations, this is the perfect platform for you. So without a delay, go to your app store and then on the search bar on the bottom right side, tap on GroupMe. After doing that, you will land on an interface like this. Select the second option and then tap on Get in order to start downloading the app. Wait for a certain while, and after your app gets downloaded, tap on Open in order to open up the app, and then wait for a certain while until your app completely loads. After the app loads, you will land on an interface like this that will ask you to either sign in or create an account. Tap on Create an Account, and then you can either continue with your email, Facebook or Microsoft depending upon your convenience. Here I'm going to tap on Continue with your email, and then now start typing your name, then typing your email address and then your password. After doing this, tap on Sync Contacts to Server and also tick mark the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can also see that you can set an avatar. You can either take the photo, choose the photo. I'm just going to leave it like that at the moment, and then tap on Create Account. After doing that, wait for a certain while until you land on a page like this that will ask you for your phone number. So type in your correct phone number over here with the correct country code as well, and then tap on Get PIN in order to verify that it is you. So wait for a certain while until you receive a PIN. Here it looks like I've received my PIN, so I'm just going to let it be and then tap on Verify. After tapping on Verify, allow GroupMe to send you notifications, allow it to access your contacts, and after you do so, wait for a certain while again and then tap on the back button on the top left corner and you land on an interface like this. When you tap on the 3 horizontal lines, you'll be able to see that you've been logged in, which means that your sign up has been successful. So this is basically how you can sign up for your GroupMe account. It's a very simple process and I hope that this video has guided you through it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to App Guide. Thank you for watching.